Hey there, primary teachers. Ready to unlock the wonders of geography for your students? Today I'm diving into some practical, fun ways to teach locational knowledge and mental mapping, perfect for Key Stage 1 and 2. So, why is locational knowledge so important? It helps children recall, name and locate places, features and events, locally, nationally and globally. And mental maps? They're all about how we picture places in our minds, helping us understand and navigate the world. First up, let's get creative with sketch maps. Have your students draw maps of their route to school or their local neighbourhood, or take it up a notch with 3D models using toy buildings or scrap materials. This hands-on approach makes learning geography active and investigative. Next, leverage technology with Google Earth. It's a fantastic way for students to explore their local area. Discuss how they know what they know about the area and translate this shared knowledge into maps or models. It's like a virtual field trip. Don't forget the classics wall maps of the UK and the world. Use these to encourage students to locate places they've heard of, seen in the news or visited. Ask them what makes a place significant. This sparks curiosity and deeper thinking about geography. Globes and atlases are another must-have. Have students look up places, interpret symbols and keys, and identify features like rivers or cities. And yes, explore latitude and longitude too. It's all about making those connections. For a bit of fun, try creative mapping activities. World quizzes, build-a-map challenges, or map-based card games can make geography super engaging. To support these activities, I highly recommend checking out Wild Goose Education resources. They offer customized local area maps centered on your school or a local landmark, and simple UK, Europe and world maps for classroom use. These resources help pupils build a strong, structured mental map of their world, from the familiar local area to far-off continents. So, let's make geography hands-on and meaningful. Link personal experiences, real places and quality resources to spark a lifelong interest in the world around us. Thanks for watching and happy teaching.